Hi everyone, I am Ravi Rahul. I completed my optometry degree in Sri Ramachandra Higher Education and Research Institute. Now I am doing spectacle dispensing in Indian Academy of Optometry. Now I talk about introduction of the lenses. The introduction of the lenses, the lens material are classified into two types: glass material and plastic material. In glass material, they are classified into four types: barium glass, crown glass, flint glass, eye index glasses. In plastic material, they are classified into four types based on CR39. CR stands for Columbia resin, eye index plastic, Trivex and polycarbonate material. In lens, basically in lens they are classified into four types: single vision lens, bifocal lens, trifocal lenses and progressive lenses. This is a single vision lenses. It is also used to correction of farsightedness, nearsightedness or astigmatism. Now, bifocal lenses also corrects distance and near vision, but bifocal lenses are demarcation line in lower portion. Bifocal lenses also correct distance vision and near vision. Bifocal lenses are available in reading segment in a variety of shapes and width. In progressive lenses also correct distance, near and intermediate also. Distance, near and intermediate also. There is now I am talk about frame measurement of the frame. Now first one is lens width with measured horizontal dimension of the one lenses. This is also known as A size. And another one is DBL. DBL is distance between the lenses. It will measure across the bridge of your nose. And another one is temple arm length. Will measure, connect the front of the frame on either side of the frame behind your ear. And another one is lens height. Lens height is nothing but B size. It will measure vertical height of the lenses. And another is there is a number in front of in the frame. It will indicate the temple on the frame. First one is A size and another one is DBL and another one is temple arm length and another fitting height. PD markings are taken and the fitting height will be marked. Fitting height will measure from the center of the pupil to the bottom of the center of the pupil and bottom of the lens, bottom of the frame. And the segment height is mostly given as bifocal. Lower lid of the patient to the frame bottom. Next topic is IPD measurement. Distance from the center of one pupil to distance from the center of other pupil, measured in millimeters. IPD measured instruments like PD ruler and pupillometer and other devices. Binocular PD can be measured dispenser positioned at 40 centimeter like 16 inches and dispenser closes the right eye and patient fixes the dispenser open left eye. Dispenser closes the left eye and patient fixes the dispenser opened right eye. Now this is pupillometer is a more accurate as well as more consistent. Place the nose pad on the patient nose with the forehead bar and place helping to center the instrument on the nose. There are two internal air lines in this instrument. It will move until the line and the corneal reflections are coincident. Now I am talk about safety gadgets for occupational dispensing. This is face shield. Now the patient is wear the face shield. It will fully covered. The face shields are intended to protect the entire face or portion from the impact hazards such as flying fragments, objects, large chips and particles. Face shields do not protect employee from impact hazards. This is plastic windows may include a glass insert. This is glass insert are available clear or filtered, but the patient wear, now the patient is weared is clear only.